Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to open the trunk in an Acura RDX. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is the back of a 2021 Acura RDX A-Spec, and I'm going to show you how to open the trunk with 3 different methods. The first method is if you have your key on you, it can be in your pocket, as long as it's on you, okay? If you have your key on you, there's a button right under here, and if you push this button and you release it, it opens the trunk, and it's going to open it to the height that you have set the trunk to open to, okay? You want to close it, go ahead and push that button right there, and we'll close it. That's the first way. So that's if you don't want to take out your key and if you're actually walking up to the truck. Now let's say I have my key out, but I'm further from the truck and I want to open the trunk, okay? In this case, I will hold down the trunk opening button like that, and you can see that it opens up to the desired height once again, to the height that I've set it at. And then I can actually hold this button down to close it. Pretty cool. So now it'll close the trunk, okay? That's the second way. So that's if you're further away and you have your key in your hand. Now the third way is if you actually you're in the vehicle. So let's say I'm in the vehicle over here and I want to open the trunk. And I don't want to actually walk up to the trunk, but I want to open it, okay? So I'm just going to try and squeeze right in here. If you look over here, there's a little button right here on the side of the door panel. And if I hold this down, it's going to open the trunk, okay? Just like that. I'll show you that it's opening. There you go. I don't need to go to the back of the truck. And I believe I can hold this down to close it as well. Let's hold it down. Just like that. And it closes the trunk as well. And that's basically it. That is how to open the trunk on an Acura RDX. Very easy and simple tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.